All right, we've been watching those storms move through central Texas here. You were just talking about that tornado warning we saw. We've seen some warnings about flooding into the evening here, but kind of a lot going on in central Texas.
Yeah, a lot going on and still some scattered showers and storms expected. So the National Weather Service has a flood watch issued for several counties that continues overnight into 7 a.m. by Monday. Most of that heavy rain potential will be during the evening hours, what we're seeing right now. This is more for the I-35 corridor and east. That flood risk drastically drops as you head further west out toward Mason, Llano, and San Saba. Right now, where that steady rain is positioned in Fayette, Caldwell, and Bastrop. First, we'll start up toward Burnett and Lampasas. This storm, now it looks rather disorganized. It produced a tornado warning about 30 minutes ago, so it just goes to show you the wind dynamics at play in this unstable environment. Anything that could develop can quickly produce rotation enough for a tornado warning. Thankfully, no tornado warning now, and I don't expect this to re-strengthen. Now I'm kind of positioning and shifting my attention to the flood threat back down in Fayette County. So Flatonia right along I-10, this area was hammered with rain from the mid-morning hours until around 2 o'clock, and now they're getting wave number 2. This is the last thing that southern Fayette County needs. First in eastern Bastrop County, right along Page, Smithville, Highway 95. Some steady rain and numerous lightning strikes into Lee County. But let's zoom on in here. We have a flash flood warning in effect for at least the next 15 to 30 minutes in Fayette County, and I anticipate that to get extended because all these reds, orange, and yellow, that signifies some very steady rain and numerous lightning strikes. So look at all the rainfall that has fallen in just the 6-hour span here, moving into Fayette County right along I-10 and Highway 90. We're talking over 5 inches of rain, and this is radar derived, so it's not set in stone, but still there were reports and confirmation of 4 inches of rainfall fallen in just 1 hour in southern parts of Fayette County. So these storms will continue to pile on rain that is not needed. Although we do need the rain, flash flooding is never a good thing. Computer models having a really hard time trying to decipher the storm's location and the impact, but as we play this through the rest of the evening, I do expect at least some sort of scattered storm threat into your, let's say, 8-9 o'clock window, and then our rain chance will begin to wind down. So here's 6 o'clock. Let's fast forward to 8 o'clock here. Still maybe a rolling thunderstorm here and there, but that rain chance goes down to around 20% past 11 o'clock, and then we mostly dry out into your Monday. Storm Prediction Center, level 2 out of 5 risk for all 15 counties here. That flood threat, which is mostly east of I-35, is a level 2 out of 4 that continues into East Texas. Tomorrow, 10% rain chance will go from the 70s to the 80s with a very isolated shower. Most will stay dry. Temperatures with winds out of the south pumping in the moisture and the humidity. Highs 86 in Austin, 81 out toward Fredericksburg. This active pattern continues, so as we move across the next few days, we'll dry out for the most part, but Wednesday another round of some scattered storms, although that's trending maybe a little bit more to the north. But then next weekend, more rain, and that time a cold front, 74 degrees next Sunday.